Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Today I've brought you up to Nakhon Ratchasima, the other side to Wat Ban Rai. It's the Elephant Temple. It's amazing. I was here a couple of years ago and I was too ill, sick, to even walk around it, let alone vlog it, and I've been itching to get back. And today we're here, and what an amazing place to show you. Here we are. That is Wat Ban Rai. It's a massive temple. Absolutely stunning. There is so much to see here, and if you're coming up to Korat, Nakhon Ratchasima, you have to come here. You can walk all around that and go up onto the platform. The views are stunning. It's on a massive lake. All man-made, no doubt, but what a stunning temple. All around here is stunning. There's a massive car park, so there's no problems, no worries about parking, and it's free. So let's go in and have a look. This is at the entrance. Oh, that stretched me back a bit. You'll have all these figures. The artwork around it is beautiful. All the tiles, the tiling. This is all mosaic and massive, goes all the way around. Can you imagine putting all them little pieces together all around? I should think that would have taken a few years on its own. So it's not just a temple, it is an absolute work of art. Looks like they're still messing about in places, probably repairs. Now, from what I was told, there are a few alligators, crocodiles, in this lake. Of course, I might have been being lied to. All the way up, even underneath. This must have taken years and years building and decorating all of this. Let's go in and have a look around. Right, shoes are off. And remember, watch where you're walking, or you'll stub your toes. This is showing the levels, and it's walking around a ramp going up. As we get to each level, I'll show you. Okay, this is the first floor. Apparently you're walking around 9 spirals to get, I should think, maybe 3 spirals per floor. I believe there might be a lift. I've not come up the lift, but if I find one, I'm going down the lift. There's the lift. Go. Thank God for that, we got a lift. I might go up the lift from there, but then I might miss something decent. The rest is steps. So, yeah, go up the steps then. Okay, the next level is a viewpoint. That's the elephant's head. I don't know if there's another higher level viewpoint, as this gets in the way a little bit. Unless you look through here. Very flat ground here, but lovely views. Ah, you got these little bits as well, of course. But I like these little bits, in case arrows come. Back in here. There is another stairway. So let's see where this will take us. If you're over 6 foot tall, beware on this little bit. Fortunately I'm 5'11", so I didn't get hurt, but there literally was an inch. Come on, wake up.
ของเองแล้วเขาเคยคิดเห็นด้วยครับในชั้นนี้นะคะชั้นสูงสุดค่ะชั้นดาดฟ้าประธานพรค่ะ
So this is the very top.
ส่วนของสิริมงคลในชั้นนี้นะคะที่อยู่ใต้ฐานลูกบอล
That's the car park over there. Free parking. This is the little village outside, all built along the road front of the Wat Ban Rai.
มอบให้หลวงพ่อท่านเหยียบให้เพื่อความเป็นสิริมงคลค่ะซองสิริมงคลนะคะที่อยู่ใต้ฐานลูกบอลหลวงพ่อด้านหลังค่ะสามารถเติมบุญด้านใน100 บาทกับเจ้าหน้าที่นะคะนำสมาร์ทการ์ดไปแตะซองสิริมงคลก็จะไหลออกมาจาก
And this floor
ให้แล้วค่ะ
is red hot on your bare feet.
ชั้นดาดฟ้าประธานพรสั่งสอนธรรมค่ะรูปหล่อองค์นี้นะคะสร้างในพ.ศ. 2540ค่ะที่หลวงพ่อท่านได้ทำพิธีการได้ก่อนแล้วค่ะสามารถขึ้นกราบขอพรได้ทุกคนได้เลยค่ะขึ้นที่แท่นกราบที่เท้าหลวงพ่อได้เลยค่ะ
For Thailand, it is very flat ground. There's normally a load of
สิริมง
mountains.
คลค่ะสามารถนำกลับบ้านไปใส่โฉนดที่ดินทะเบียนบ้านทะเบียนสมรสวุฒิการศึกษาใบเกิดสำเนาการค้าด้วยเอกสารสำคัญต่างๆได้ค่ะสามารถเติมบุญด้านใน100 บาทกับเจ้าหน้าที่นะคะนำสมาร์ทการ์ดไปแตะซองสิริมงคลก็จะไหลออกมาจากเท้าหลวงพ่อที่ท่านเหยียบท่านเจิมให้แล้วค่ะบนซองสิริมงคลนะคะ
So that's up
ซองสิริมงคลจะ
through the Elephant Temple. I'll show you quickly a little bits around it down in the main area. Let's get back down there. And we're back out again. Oh, one last look into the sun. Sorry about that. This side looks a red and blue, and that side is a bluey green. I don't know if it depicts anything, or I really don't. Useless, innit? Yeah, alright, no more than comments about yes. So that's Wat Ban Rai, Nakhon Ratchasima, or Korat. Say again. Hello. The gang's back. So if you liked it, yeah, give me a thumbs up and a like and a share. I don't do many temples, but this one is amazing. So thank you very much for watching. If you'd like to subscribe, now's your chance, but you don't have to. See you again soon. Thank you. Bye bye.